You know, it just all depends on what you're running. What do they want? You know, it's just a matter of placement for a lot of fish, color variations.
When looking for adventure, don't have to tell me twice. We won't surrender. I can see it in your eyes. When looking for redemption.
Oh, Adam, nice job. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this current. I'm gonna row slowly over here.
Runner here, buddy. Yeah, pig.
Get a picture of you. You might get a picture of Adam. Day in, day out, fish these rivers just to understand the gravel bottoms. You name it. Fishing, whether it's fishing with friends.
That's a big one. That's what it's all about right there, buddy.
All right, guys, you're gonna pitch left. This is not where we typically fish, but it looks pretty fishy. All right, so go ahead, straight left.